Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets for Thursday the 15th of May. I'm going to finish off today with gold, and to be honest with the choppy trading that we've seen over the past few weeks, gold remains very difficult to really call on an intraday basis, but the one constant we do seem to be holding on to is this 144-day moving average, which seems to be pretty much the basis of support that comes in at 1281. But it does seem to be capping out just above 1300 at the moment still. However, you would argue perhaps a slight improvement is being seen. We've now seen 3 days, or certainly 2 days in a row of higher lows, following on from a key reversal there on last Monday. And we're seeing possibly a move above the 1300 mark, which is being held for a change today. 1301 is the low. These momentum indicators are slightly beginning to improve as well. As I said, you're getting slightly a tendency for higher lows here. RSI is above 50, which is it needs to break above that 54 level. It's not quite there yet, but certainly to be honest, I think I'm probably clutching at straws here, but still, you just slight upside momentum being gained. Not a huge amount, but certainly with the higher lows that we'd seen on the recent lows, on the corrections, maybe there is something to be gleaned out of that. On the intraday basis, you will see that, I will zoom out slightly here, we are still in this sideways trading range, no doubt there, but you do have these higher lows, very slight higher lows. Also, you've got all moving averages rising now for a change. That has not happened for a while, and that could suggest that we're going to get upside pressure. We're back above that 1300 mark. We actually broke above the 1305 resistance as well, so that was possibly an interesting development yesterday. So if we can now retest that 1315.60 high, then we're up and away back towards that 1330 level that we'd seen back in early to mid-April. But at the moment we're just trying to hold above that 1300 mark, and we'll see if that can happen. But if you look at these intraday hourly momentum indicators, they are actually beginning to take on a more positive configuration. The MACD lines are finding support above that neutral line, and also the RSI is also finding support around about the midpoint as well. So it is possibly something that we can start to think about a more bullish outlook. It is just very early stages, you would argue, but certainly if we can have a test on that 1315 mark, then we are possibly going to start to think more positively about this. But at the moment, it is just the very early stages, as the gold chart has had a tendency in the recent weeks to disappoint once more, as the sharp move out to the downside has been seen. So in terms of levels, zoom in quickly here, you got the breakout above 1300, you'd argue. So you've got these two highs of 1298.50 to 1298.60 to bear in mind, but I think the key low that we need to stay above is at 1288.64, which was on Tuesday's low. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.